Hello, this is Wusik sampler by Pico, and it works in two ways. You can use it as a standalone application, so it's running here on Windows. I can load multiple sounds, add reverb using a convolution reverb, and I can also export to Arduino file that is going to be able to use with this board, the Raspberry Pi Pico 1. Soon is going to be able to work with the version 2. This board, it has some flash memory that is used to store the sounds and can be used to be played back with USB MIDI without any latency at all. So it's very handy. Also have programmed the board. The board works with any USB-C type of wall adapter, so it doesn't need a computer. But right now it's only running in USB mode. It's a USB MIDI, and soon I'm going to be adding the schematics on how to add MIDI directly to the board, so you won't need a computer anymore for the MIDI processing. So let's take a quick look what you can do with the Wusik sampler. You can use it as a plugin and as standalone application. The plugin works as VST2 plugin, and you can hear this is the application version. So the application version has these options that you can adjust the audio and MIDI input. So I can play on my MIDI keyboard. It has unlimited voices on the application, and on the Pi Pico, it will depend. In stereo mode, it has 8 voices, 8 stereo voices, and in monophonic mode, it's going to be 16 monophonic voices. So let me show what the interface, the options on the interface. The first here is the MIDI channel, then the number of bits for sounds. Right now I can only select 16 bits, but soon I'm going to update the program to allow for 8 bits too. And this is the reverb stereo left channel delay. This is great for when you add a reverb to a sound and you want to have a more stereo effect for the sound with monophonic sounds, which in this case, the snare sound is monophonic. But by adding 512 sample delay to the left channel, it adds a bit of a stereo effect. You can hear very easily here with no delay. It's very monophonic, and with 512 samples of delay, it turns into a more open stereo sound. The next one is the pin output. So you're going to be able to select which pin is going to output the sound on the Pi Pico, and also allows you to select how much flash memory you have. So it shows here Pi Pico flash memory size in megabytes, because some Pico boards come with 2 megabytes of flash, but the one I'm using is the name of it is VCC ground, and it has 16 megabytes of flash memory, so it has much more memory. Then you have the no clip. The no clip, what it does, it reduces the audio volume of all samples to avoid clipping when you're playing multiple samples at the same time. But in my experience, you don't really need to use that unless the type of sounds you are playing is overlapping too much and you're getting a bit of distortion. So then you select no clip because the no clip is going to reduce the audio, therefore reducing the number of beats of the audio and introducing a bit more noise. Because right now it's using PWM as the audio output on the Pico instead of a DAC or digital audio converter. So it produces some noise from the PWM. Soon I'm going to be adding options for other DACs that are clean and have a better sound. But this start here right now is just with PWM. And the USB MIDI is currently hard coded to USB MIDI. So you can't use a direct MIDI device to the interface. But soon I'm going to release some schematics on how to add the MIDI input directly. So the board is going to be working without a computer. And then you have the stereo. You can select stereo or monophonic. And it's going to use less flash and going to get more voices through. So let me add here a new project. So it's going to clean up. Then I click on plus send. So it's going to put plus sound actually. Then I can select where my sounds are. Then I just browse to wherever they are. I select OK to add the sound. Then I have the option to play the sound here with the mouse, or just play with the MIDI keyboard. That's going to be note number 60 for the sound. Then I have a volume and a panning. The panning is disabled in monophonic mode. And then I have the convolution reverb. When I click it and select yes to insert it, I have to browse to my selection of convolutional impulse reverb. So the files that are going to be the impulse response of the reverb. So I'm going to select this large church, reverb select. So now I have my sound with the reverb. And I can adjust the wet and dry. And this is going to be output to the export projects for the Arduino. And I can keep adding more sounds and selecting the MIDI note for the sound. So right now it's 6, let's see, 6-2 is going to be note D on the keyboard. Here at the bottom is showing me the flash usage. So if I select the right flash memory size in the top here, it's going to give me an idea of how much flash memory I should have. And if I click here on this area where the logo is, I can see which version you have installed. And if I export, so let me add here for my capture device. So it's too big for the. No, it's showing. So when it exports to the Arduino interface, it shows here that it's showing the whole thing. What I need to do now is upload this to the board. I'm going to do another video and explain on how to use the Arduino IDE. Sorry about that. And on the next video, I'm going to explain exactly how to work this out and upload to the board. So for this video, that's it. So thanks for watching.